Product promotion. BLJ series flour mixer produced by Yin Yang is used for stirring and mixing the bulk goods, and as the equipment for stirring flours, it is used in restaurants, hotel, canteen, and a packing house to process noodles. The flour mixer is high efficient, easy to operate, and convenient to maintain. According to the production capacity, at the moment, 2 types of flour mixers are produced in Yin Yang BLJ 15 flour mixer and BLJ 25 flour mixer respectively. Inspection preparation. Flour mixer. The machine shall be placed on the horizontal ground before use in order to ensure that the machine can work steadily and reliably. Examine each part of the machine and rotate the stirrer with hands. It shall be flexible. Examine whether the fasteners are loosened or not during transportation and whether the switches and power lines are damaged or not during transportation. Find the professional electrician to connect the machine power line to power switch that confirms to the voltage. Press the start button, and if the machine operates steadily without abnormal sound, then trial operation can be conducted. Operation and maintenance. Flour mixer. Add the material to be mixed, such as flour, to the charging bucket and then add a moderate amount of water. Usually, the ratio of flour and water is 1 to 0.28 to 0.3. After the flour and water is stirred evenly, place the stuffing device under the discharge port lift and retaining plate so that the stirred material can automatically discharge and fall into the holding device. Carefully clean the machine after each use and discharge the roof cover. Use the dry duster cloth to wipe away the reaming material of the discharging bucket.